So right now we are off to Penukonda Fort. Time is 4:45 and I'm leaving home. We have to reach the Suzuki showroom and 5:30 we are off from Suzuki showroom towards Devnalli Road. Good morning, and I'm very slightly late, not too late. I should have assembled there by 5. I'll be there by 5:10. So 5:30 is the flag off. And update on today's ride is we have about 40 people registered, all Superbike category, and I have this, and I'm guessing this is the only GSX 8R in the group right now, and the group is filled with Hayabusas, the monster bike. So we are off to Penukonda. It's about 150 kilometers. So we'll be first meeting everybody at the Avnish Suzuki showroom. So this ride has been arranged by Avnish Suzuki. Manoj is the manager, so he is the person coordinating everything. I have a few friends with the Busas, so let's meet them. I think the leading will be Preetham and Lohit with their Busas, third generation. Almost reaching. Let's see how many people have assembled ahead of me. This is the ride briefing by Mr. Preetham. So the bike lineup. This is the lineup we are having right now. You see, there is this backup. These are all the ADVs. These are the Busas. This is of course the GSX 8R. We have two GSX 8R. I'm very happy I have company. Let's see how it goes. So this is flag off. That's the Hayabusa. Come on, man. Look at that. Woo! Let's go! ಧೂಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ, ಧೂಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಧೂಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹಯಾಬುಸಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬೇಜಾನು. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. This is the area which I spent 18 years of my early life since my birth. The hospital I was born also is just around the corner. So the hospital I was born there. My house is right behind me where I was born. This is the ground where I played a lot of cricket in my life. So this is very familiar area to me. I would have never imagined back then when I was a kid that I'll be riding with this group of riders and myself on such a bike. So it's a fantastic feeling. Today's Penukonda ride. We have a lineup of fantastic bikes. all the ADVs and the Busas. There are also a couple of bikes there. There's a riding group. This is exactly how the next generation riders are born. Kids who are excited to see the bikes. Look at the kids there in the bus, all peeping out, try to get a glimpse of all the superbikes. This is how next generation bikers are born. That couple there actually got out of a Mercedes just to have a look at all the bikes. That's the Mercedes. They got out of that Mercedes just to have a look at these bikes. So this is what bikes do to people. Check it out. People recording the superbikes. Fantastic ride. We are presently at Big Bay. This is before Bagyapalli toll, and what happened was I overshot it while overtaking a lorry. I didn't see this. I went much at 22 kilometers ahead, and I had to ride back all the way. So I had to come fast to have breakfast with the guys. Fantastic. The roads are good, and next stop is Penukonda Fort. Let's see. So right now we are at entrance of Penukonda, and another 5 minutes ride from here. We have just stopped so that everybody can join in. Once everybody joins in, we will start going up the hill. Now we are ready to go up the hill. experience ride from Bangalore to Penukonda and back. Ready to start. Let's go. What does bike say after taking it for a long ride? Petrol pila do XP95 ka. Right now we are into drones search and rescue operation. Drone is stuck there.
And we are looking forward one more drone
Which is going to get stuck now.
to hunt the other drone.
Hopefully that will not get stuck.
Hopefully they will not get stuck.
Our Bahubali has found it.
ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಚೂಡು ಸರ್ ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಸೋನಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಅದನ್ನ
ಸೋನಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಬೆವರು ಬಂದು
ಬೆವರು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಳಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಇಳಿತಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಹೌದು,
ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.